Think kangaroos are just cute hoppers from Australia? These 5 facts will blow your mind.
Kangaroos can balance on their tail like a tripod, just so they can launch a double kick with both feet. A baby kangaroo is born the size of a jelly bean, then crawls all the way to the pouch to finish developing. They've been known to lure predators such as dogs into water, then hold them under with their claws to drown them. They're definitely more unpredictable than most people think, and way tougher too. Female kangaroos can literally pause their pregnancies until their pouch is free, like a built-in waitlist system. Kangaroos are built for bouncing forward, but their tail and muscles lock them out of reverse. They literally can't hop backward.
So, yeah, nature's weird. Kangaroos are weirder.